Hey guys, we just got back from a 4-day cruise on the MSC Magnifica, and we're going to give you a quick tour of our interior room.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're JK Cruising.
They're about 150 square feet, but they are comfy. And as you can see in the video, there's lots of mirrors. Okay guys, we were on board the MSC Magnifica in less than 14 minutes through security and actually to our room. They do embarkation a little different. They allow you to come to your room, drop off luggage, freshen up, and then they do ask you to leave until about 2 o'clock. But if I had known that, we would have just brought our luggage with us. So we're going to give you a real quick room tour. And we booked the interior room, so it's a little snug, but it's comfy. So we have pull down beds on both sides. So you can actually fit 4 people in here. We have nightstands and cute little lamps. The bed is nice, able to walk around on each side. They have your beach towels waiting for you. Over here we have a cute little desk and a little stool. We've got hair dryer, some additional information. You got 2 plugs and 2 European plugs. Over here we have drawers, a couple of shelves, the safe, and we have a good sized closet. For a 4-day cruise, that's more than adequate. Over here we have the bathroom. There's actually shelves underneath the sink, which is very nice. And then extra storage. Yeah, you've got plenty of storage. It's, you know, you can tell it's a little bit older by the tile on the floor, but it's still very adequate for a 4-day cruise. We really enjoyed our MSC cruise. We slept like a dream in this interior room, pitch black, cold. It was perfect. So let us know in the comments below if you prefer an interior room or a balcony room and why. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and get out there and go cruising.